you doing? A bucket. Oh, are you stuck in the bucket? Oh, bucket. Hi, baby. Go put your bucket on the floor and get inside of it. Go move it over there. Bye-bye. Come back. Hi, where are you going? Here, get inside your bucket. Show Mommy how you get in your bucket.